piece. I'll try to get this sunroof finished up this week, get it some primer on it. So far we're looking pretty good. Let's get to it. We got the roof block down. Still got a few low spots. Need some filler right there. Right over there. That's pretty bad one right there. I don't know how I missed that, but we'll get some filler put in it. Finish blocking it down. Start getting ready to prime. We got the filler knocked down again. Pretty close. Unfortunately, due to our lovely Georgia weather, not going to be able to do any priming today. Way too cold. I know I still got a few spots I'm going to have to touch up possibly. Hoping that high build primer will take care of it. But if not, we still got plenty to do. Got the Euro front and rear clip. Gonna be installing. Got a busted spot right there. I'll take care of that. But yeah, I think it's gonna turn out good. Y'all let me know what you think.